What's up, guys? This is Jonathan with Izaguirre Mold Detailing, Paint Correction, and Ceramic Coating Specialist here in Powder Springs, Georgia. And in today's video, we are doing a one-step paint correction to this Toyota 4Runner and applying a 3-year ceramic coating to the vehicle's paint. Now, it's always essential to go ahead and do a one-step paint correction before applying a ceramic coating, because a ceramic coating is a long-term paint protection. So before you want to apply a long-term paint protection like a ceramic coating, you want to make sure that the surface of the paint has little to no defects before you actually apply the ceramic coating. Now, when it comes to the paint correction, I go ahead and do the paint correction to all the painted surfaces, to the headlights and taillights, and then also to the chrome pieces as well. Now, this is because these are all the areas that are going to get ceramic coated. When you apply a ceramic coating, I apply it to all the painted surfaces, the taillights, the headlights, the chrome pieces, and then also the door jambs as well. We also offer ceramic coatings for the rims and then also for plastic trim pieces like the black plastic trim, and then we also ceramic coat glass as well. So when you're doing the ceramic coating process, it's actually a pretty long process. On average, takes around 10, sometimes even 12 hours to complete. And you want to make sure you're doing this thoroughly and meticulously to make sure you're not missing anything, you're not getting any high spots, you're making sure that the ceramic coating is flashing properly, and then also you're just making sure that you're taking out all the defects that you possibly can with that one-step paint correction. Now, the only thing that we would need from the client to do the ceramic coating service is just the keys, just in case it locks or anything. We want to make sure we could open and close the door jambs and move the vehicle if we need to, and, work comfortably. And also in case it locks. The other thing we would need is just an outlet for electricity, so then we could hook up our machines and get to work. Now, lastly, what we would need is just an enclosed environment, like a garage where we could comfortably work. We could also do it in a well-shaded area. And then also we do have a canopy that if we need to, we can bring that out as well. And then if you have a rather large vehicle, we also have a setup at home where it's designated just for paint correction and ceramic coatings. So if you have a larger vehicle, you could bring it there as well. Or if you have a smaller one, if you'd rather drop it off, that works too. Now, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns regarding paint correction or ceramic coating, feel free to call us. We'd like to talk to you guys one-on-one and get the service that works for you best. But the results do speak for themselves.